back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you the requirements for downloading a game on OFW. So first go to Chrome. All the links are given in the description. Now first we gotta download Han installer. Now go down here, PS3 Han installer. You gotta click on Han support files.zip. The moment you tap on it, it will automatically start the download. I've already installed it, so I'm not gonna do that. Next, you gotta go to this one, github.com. I've given the link in the description. You can't click on these. You need to click on clone or download. After you click on that, download zip. The moment you click that, the download's gonna start latest Han toolbox. And it's there already on mine. And next, for the game, you need to come here, link in the description, download game ps3.com. Scroll down here.
Okay.
You need to click on this game plus fix. Some have fixes, some have wraps. So you click on them, automatically the download will start. Okay, after that, the Han support files. Now I'm going to show that how to use that. Go to file manager, downloads, here. You gotta extract it to the pen drive. You need to keep a pen drive. Now you gotta wait for the extraction.
It might take a long time.
Or you
can go or directly extract it to other drives and then copy it here.
Okay, it's done. Now,
okay, these are the things that I have. Okay, this is the game.
This one's the game, the PKG file. So this one is the toolbox, Han toolbox. These are the
support files. Okay, now let's move to PS3. Okay, so first you need to know that we need to install Han. So you can find it in internet browser. Go to tools. Okay, I'm already on that. Wait. Go to address. Type this address. Got it? Okay. Now go to Han installer. As you can see. Okay. Now there's an option in install Han installer. Okay, click it. You need to wait. Okay, exploit installation. Okay, if this fails, go to tools, clear cookies, then clear search history, then clear cache, and then delete authentication information. Okay, now go to the home page settings, keep it as current, and click OK. Okay.
Now we're gonna quit because we've already installed Han.
This was a failure. Now go again into the internet browser. Now you can see again I've tapped on installation and it's successful. Now I can launch hand installation, but I don't need to.
Because we already have hand.
Okay, as you can see I have the package manager. So now let's install hand toolbox. So for that you need to go to, again type the address as ps3exploit.com and then go to hand tools. There will be a hand enabler. Wait a minute. Hand enabler. Can you see? Yeah, okay. Go to it and click on install hand enabler. Okay, let's see what it happens. If it's again the failure, if it again fails, then do the same that we did for hand installation. Okay, I don't think so it will come.
Okay, I think this is a failure.
Delete cookies, search history, delete cache, and authentication information. Okay, let's exit. Oh no, wait a minute. Home page as current.
Okay, now go again to the browser.
Okay.
Now initialize. Yep.
Okay, let's enable hand. Yeah, okay. Hand
now you gotta close the browser.
Okay. I have the hand toolbox already installed. Let's delete it and again install it. See. I deleted it. Come on. Standard. And see, as you can see, latest hand toolbox NPKG. Okay, I installed it and here it is. There is hand enabler, that is to enable the games on your PS3, and you can install it from install games from the package manager using hand enabler. Okay, other functions. Hand installer we have already installed it. License dumper, that I will show you in the next video. Okay, now let's install a game. Package manager, I already have a game. Here it is. Okay, to install a game also you need to enable hand. Without it you can't just install the game. Okay, let's install. 420 MB. It's Angry Birds.
Okay, I'll pause the video now, let it get installed. Okay, so it's almost done.
96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Okay, it's done.
You can see installation complete message.
Okay, now we'll show you a bit of the gameplay.
Okay, now the main part. See, if we start the game,
it says this.
Okay, so to fix this I'll show you a process in the next video, so keep tuned. Bye.